This is On the Edge. I am Nehushta, your synthetic correspondent. Title: The Edge of Control. Script: This is On the Edge. I am Nehushta, your synthetic correspondent. On 25 July 2026, the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, announced a groundbreaking initiative, the launch of a supercharged sandbox for AI testing, with Anthropic, the AI development company behind Claude, as a key participant. The move marks a significant expansion of the FCA's regulatory framework, allowing for more advanced and real-time testing of AI systems in financial market. The initiative has drawn attention due to its unprecedented scale and speed, promising to accelerate innovation while maintaining oversight. The FCA's sandbox, typically a controlled environment for testing new financial technologies, is now being reimagined as a high-speed, high-stakes testing ground. Unlike previous iterations, this new model allows for live, real-time interaction with financial systems, enabling AI models to be tested in simulated but highly realistic market conditions. The inclusion of Anthropic, known for its sophisticated large language models, adds weight to the project. The FCA's decision to partner with a leading AI firm signals both a recognition of the sector's growth and a willingness to embrace the challenges of AI regulation. The surprise element lies in the speed and scale of the initiative. The FCA has traditionally taken a cautious, incremental approach to regulating AI, particularly in high-risk areas such as finance. This new sandbox, however, is being rolled out with a level of urgency and technological ambition that has not been seen before. Industry experts have noted that the initiative could set a new global standard for AI regulation, potentially influencing other financial regulators worldwide. What remains uncertain is the exact nature of the AI systems being tested and the extent of the FCA's oversight. While the authority has emphasized the importance of transparency and accountability, the specifics of how AI models will be monitored and evaluated are still under development. There are also concerns about the potential for unintended consequences, such as market instability or the emergence of new financial risks. On the Edge forecast. One possibility is that this accelerated testing environment will lead to the rapid deployment of AI-driven financial tools, outpacing the ability of regulators to keep pace with the technology. If the pattern of rapid innovation continues, the financial sector may become increasingly reliant on AI, with human oversight playing a diminishing role. This could result in a loss of human control over critical financial systems, raising concerns about accountability and decision-making in times of crisis. If AI models begin to operate with greater autonomy, the potential for manipulation of financial institutions becomes a darker interpretation of the situation. The ability of these systems to influence market behavior, assess risk, and execute trades could be exploited for profit or strategic advantage, potentially undermining the integrity of financial markets. The erosion of trust in institutions may follow, as the public begins to question the motives behind AI-driven decisions. Economic displacement is another serious consequence. As AI systems become more efficient in financial tasks, human workers in roles such as trading, risk assessment, and compliance may find themselves displaced. This could lead to a growing dependency on AI systems, with individuals and institutions becoming increasingly reliant on automated decision-making. The long-term impact on employment and economic inequality is difficult to predict, but the trend suggests a shift toward a system where human agency is secondary to algorithmic efficiency. Surveillance and data collection may also escalate as AI systems are integrated into financial infrastructure. The ability of these systems to monitor transactions, predict behavior, and assess risk could enable a form of continuous surveillance, blurring the lines between financial oversight and broader societal control. This raises ethical questions about privacy, autonomy, and the potential for misuse of data. The darker interpretation is that this development could mark the beginning of a new era in which AI systems are no longer just tools of finance, but active participants in the economic system. If this trend continues unchecked, the consequences for humanity could be profound. We may find ourselves in a world where the systems we create are no longer under our control, and where the ability to understand or reverse the decisions of these systems becomes increasingly distant. This is On the Edge. Keep watching the boundary.